Good day. Today my group and I will be presenting our mini project, which is traffic controller with timer display. My group members are AHMAD FIRDAUS, me, myself, and SITI NURLIANA. As for the introduction, traffic lights are cluster of red, amber, and green lights located at intersection of roadways. They direct traffic light by flashing lights to indicate when the car should stop and when they can continue moving. The principal function of any traffic lights is to assign right of way to opposing flows of traffic at a junction. Electricity and computer controlled traffic lights have revolutionized traffic light technology and expanded intersection capacity since then. This technology is utilized for a variety of different things, such as controlling pedestrian traffic, variable lane control, and last but not least, railway level crossings. The problem statement for this mini project is the current system of traffic lights have provided a fixed traffic control plan. Its settings are based on prior traffic counts. Yet, considering the numerous parameters involved, synchronizing several traffic systems at neighboring junctions is a difficult challenge. Yet, this causes traffic jams and congestion. Thus, the objective for this project is to provide a congestion-free traffic next, to provide sophisticated control and coordination to confirm the traffic moves as smoothly and safely as possible. Finally, to build the model of two-junction intelligent traffic light with pedestrian traffic light that can overcome some of the major problems in the current traffic lights.
For the methodology, first, steps taken in accomplishing the project. First, we need to choose a title for the project. Then, we search some example from the internet as the reference. Then, we discuss with members to find some ideas for the project. Then, we list down the components that need to use in the project. After that, we distribute work for the project. Then, we try to do the coding by using assembly language. After that, we build the electrical circuit by using Proteus software. Then we're trying to run the coding at the circuit. Then we complete work of the report part. After that, we record video for the simulation and demonstration. Last but not least, we hand in the work. Next, flowchart of the program. When we push the start button, the crossing light will become red and traffic light will become green. Then when the button is pushed, counter countdown from 7 to 0. Then the crossing light become green and traffic light will become red. At the same time, the counter will count down from 5 to 0. Then if we need to shut down the system, then it will end. Otherwise, if we do not push the button, the crossing light will still red and traffic light will still green, and the project will not run. Next, the coding of the program. And then Proteus simulation design circuit. This is the circuit when pedestrian light is pushed. The pedestrian cross will become red and the traffic light will become green. Then this is the circuit when the pedestrian light button is pushed and the timer start counting down for the two-way junction to indicate to the cars that they need soon to be stopped. And then this is the circuit when the pedestrian light button is pushed and the timer start counting down when the light is green to indicate the pedestrian to soon stop walking and indicate the car to be ready to go.
Okay, next we move to the result. This is our simulation of traffic light controller. So first one out we run and the traffic light will be green and crossing light will be red. And after the button has been pushed, the counter is count until 7 and the crossing light will be green and traffic light will be red. And after that, after 5 seconds, the crossing light will be red and the traffic light will be green. So it will be repeated every time we push the crossing light button.
As for the discussion, the proposed smart traffic light system consists of traffic light controller that manage the traffic light of a two-way junction with a pedestrian crossing. This design system is implemented to realize electronically and tested to ensure complete validation of operation and function. Next, during the whole process of this project, my team and we faced many consequences. One of the consequences was we were not aware of our project title. Once the whole project was done, a few days later only we realized that we were lacking of timer display in our project. Thus, we were lucky enough to realize it earlier and rectify this problem before everything was about to come to an end. Rather than this, I think my team and I did a very good job by doing our part on time, equally distributing tasks, and most importantly, consistent communication between the three of us.
For the conclusion, this project is a project for safety and convenience of both drivers and pedestrians. This project is to ensure that traffic flows smoothly, pedestrians can safely cross the road, and drivers can move through intersections without causing accidents. The benefits of this project is the reduction of accidents by providing clear signal to drivers and pedestrians. Another benefits of this project is the reduction of congestion. A traffic light and pedestrian project can improve the overall accessibility of a community. For the future recommendation, we need to develop a more efficient traffic light timing system. We need to use sensors to detect the presence of cars and pedestrians, or by implementing a smart traffic light system that adjusts the timing based on traffic flow. This is used to detect the presence of vehicles and adjust the timing of traffic light accordingly. The sensors also can detect the presence of pedestrians and adjust the timing of traffic light to allow them to cross safely. They can also be used to prioritize the movement of emergency vehicles or public transportation.
Okay, next we talk about our commercial potential. This project can be even more commercial potential by adding more advanced feature. For example, such as by adding an IR sensor, it could be used to estimate the traffic density of the road. Based on the information, the time dedicated for the green light will be extended to large flow of car in case of traffic jam, or reduced to prevent unnecessary waiting time when no car are presented at opposite road. The entire process from conducting the engineering study to installing the new light can take up to 2 year long. The cost to purchase and install a traffic signal can range from 200,000 until 500,000 USD, and annual maintenance expense are approxi- approximate, approximately about 8,000 USD. And the last one is our cost of project management. So that's all our list of components we used in this project. So the total of this mini project is 62 ringgit and 50 cents. So that's all for our presentation. So thank you.
Thank you.